Hello, hello. My name is Kim Goeltom, and I'm an integrative health and wellness coach. I'm excited to be here with you and to share with you a really easy tool that you can use for stress reduction. The nice thing about this tool is you can do it anywhere. You could be, in a parked vehicle. Maybe you're in the driveway right before you get in the door and you just wanted to use this tool before you transition and switch gears. Maybe you're at the office and you want to take a walk outside, and you could do this outside, or you could do this in the restroom, or if you have a walk-in closet at home and you don't have a lot of privacy, right? Lots of ways to incorporate this tool, and you only need 90 seconds. So I think we can all do something for 90 seconds, right? So this is called the butterfly hug, and it was created by Lucina Artigas in 1998. So you can Google her and learn more about the origin story and how it's evolved today. But this is a way for you to get grounded, just get out of that fight and flight mode, back into that parasympathetic, relaxed state of calm in your body so that you can feel grounded and let go of some of the weight on your shoulders. Okay, are you ready to get started? I'm going to show you this in a few different parts so that you can see, but you basically just take your hands and take your thumbs so that you can form like a butterfly. And then I want you to put them on your chest, okay? And then let me just adjust my video here real quick. Somehow we got it adjusted. And you want to do some soft tapping. So you're doing this soft, slow, bilateral stimulation on your body. Right? There's a lot going on here. Whenever we can have our hands touching our body, it already creates a space for comfort, nurturing, and support. So we're doing this tapping just very, very slowly and soft. While, this is part 2, you're breathing in deep. So what happens in our busy lives? We breathe quickly, we breathe shallowly, right? And that doesn't help get oxygen to all of our organs. So the next piece of this pie is to really take in some deep breaths while you're doing this. So in case you're not sure if you're deep breathing right, because that's what I always get asked. I'm like, am I doing it right? Here's how you know if you're doing it right. Take your right hand, put it on your chest, your left hand on your belly, and take in a big deep breath. And feel your body expand. Your chest should be risen, your belly should be extended. And then when you release, right, you contract. So I'm over exaggerating, but you get the idea. So when you take in that big deep breath, expand your whole body. And then you contract when you release. Okay, so let's get back to that butterfly and make sure, or try anyway, to incorporate that deep breathing so you can really get that oxygen flowing and that relaxation going. Okay, ready? And I'm going to demonstrate just a few seconds so you can really capture the whole process. It is very calming, very soothing. So if you can give that a try for 90 seconds, I'd be curious to hear how that impacts your stress levels. And as I always say, for those of you who don't know me, I always say, take what fits and discard the rest. So if this is a tool that doesn't resonate with you, that's okay. But if it is a tool, now you have more options in that toolbox. And if not, there are lots of other tools out there, but continue exploring until you find the tool or the tools that work best for you. Well, until next time, thank you so much. And I hope you have a super fantastic rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.